Let's make croutons. Slice up a ½ pound to 1 pound loaf of bread into cubes. And then place them into a large bowl. Drizzle a ¼ cup of olive oil over the top. Then add a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, a ½ teaspoon of salt, a ½ teaspoon of dried oregano, and a ¼ teaspoon of black pepper, and stir until well combined. Add the bread cubes onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 Celsius for 10 minutes. Remove it from the heat and give it a stir. Then, bake again for 10 minutes. Then stir. Do this a few more times until the bread cubes are crunchy and lightly golden brown. Allow the homemade croutons to cool completely. Then you can use them on top of salads or whatever else you want them for. They are also good eaten as is for a crunchy snack. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website in thekitchenwithmatt.com.